Welcome back to the Happy Man Coaching channel. I'm Charlie McKeever, your Happy Man coach. And in this video, I want to invite you into a free course that I'm offering in my community over at mentoring.men. This free course helps a man understand how to handle himself when his wife has said, I don't want to be married anymore. I want a separation. I want a divorce. I love you, but I'm not in love with you. When she is done, when she's hit the end of her 2-year window where she has successfully grieved the loss of the relationship, and all of a sudden she has told him that she is done and she's moving quickly. She may have talked to a lawyer already. She may have some papers drawn up. She may want him to move out. She may want space. She may not want to talk to him. She may not want to communicate with him. She may not have all the answers. She may not have a plan as to what happens next. She just knows that she's unhappy, that she's uncomfortable, and she doesn't want to be that way anymore. And it can be jarring. It can be unsettling to him because he's just learned about it. She may think that she's tried to tell him over the last couple of years. She's tried to hint at, she's tried to point to all the dissatisfaction and frustration and hurt that she feels. But every time that she did, he may have actually shut that down. He may have been defensive. He may have been dismissive. He may have explained everything away. He may have not been able to handle her emotions, so she did not feel like she could communicate with him fully. And that means that there was no emotional safety there. There was no trust. And this is why she doesn't want to talk to him now. And so we've developed this course for that man, for him to have the answers that he's looking for, the answers that she can't give him. And in fact, it's going to help him. It's going to help you to get the certainty that you want in your life, to be able to come to the point where you have the answers that you need in order to be able to move forward. Because I can tell you that at this point, without her talking to you, with her maybe stonewalling, with her being upset and not really knowing what it is that she wants, the only place that you're going to be able to find your answers is within yourself. And the more clear you are about what you want, who you want to be, and where you go, the greater chance that you'll have at a 2.0 relationship, that you'll actually be able to have some hope of reconciliation. And it doesn't start with leaning in, pressuring her, asking her for certainty, looking for answers from her. It actually comes from inside, from having the answers yourself be surfaced. It also comes by joining a community of men who have been through this process, who have been where you are right now, and can actually help you. They can walk with you, they can listen, they can support you, they can ask questions, they can share their experiences, and they can guide you through this very trying, very emotionally disturbing season of your marriage and season of your life. And I can guarantee you that on the other side of this, you're going to be okay, whether you reconcile with your wife or not. There's going to be all kinds of questions about, what do I do about the kids? And what do we do about finances? And what do we do about the house? And what do we do about the family dog? And there's going to be all kinds of questions about, should I text her or should I call her? Or what should I do? She says she wants space. Does that mean that I shouldn't contact her at all? What happens when I get a text message and it just throws me into a spiral and ruins my whole day and throws me off for the rest of the day? How do I handle all that? How do I get a grip on myself? How do I proceed? These questions are all answered in that course. Here's what you need to do. Here's the next step. Go to men.mentoring.men. I'll put a link in the description, but go to that address. There on that page are options, courses that you can take for free. One of them is the Failing Marriage Recovery Plan. This course has 60 videos in it. The videos are anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes apiece. They will answer the questions that you have right now. There's no cost. There's no obligation. These are the questions that we get asked all the time. And we wanted to put together a place where men could get those answers. There's also at the bottom of every video is a place for comments. This is where you can ask your questions. If you have a specific question to your situation, your circumstance, your relationship, your life, you can ask questions there and a mentor will respond to those. You can also schedule a call with one of the mentors in the community, and we will reach out to you and have a phone call with you to answer your questions. So go ahead, go to men.mentoring.men, click the link in the description below, sign up for that Failing Marriage Recovery Plan course, and we'll talk to you soon. You're going to be okay. It's going to work out. I promise.